Guys, welcome to the channel. Uh, Now today let's start visual programming with C Sharp. So what is visual programming? First of all, we need to understand what is visual programming. Visual programming, let me create a new project. Let me create new project and you will direct to another page. Before that, if you don't have Visual Studio Code, you can go to your favorite browser and search for Visual Studio. Not Visual Studio Code, it's Visual Studio. You can see the first result, download Visual Studio tool. Click on that and then you will direct to the Visual Studio page. Now here you can download, click on free download community version. Click on that and it will download your Visual Studio setup file. After download it, now you can see it is downloading. I'm not going to download it because I have already downloaded it. This is the Visual Studio setup. You can double click on that and you can go through all the installation process. It's simple. After when we try to install it, you will direct to something like this. You can click on the .NET development and you can install it. So after you have downloaded and installed this software, you can do what I'm doing right here. So search for Windows Form App. Windows Form App. Now I'm going to show you what is the visual programming. Okay. Now click on Windows Form App and then click on Next. Then give any name. I'm going to give Form 1. If you want, you can select the project path. Click on Next. And you need to select .NET Framework version, .NET Framework version, and then click on Create. I don't want to save the previous one. It will take a while to create my new project. Still, it is creating my project. It says opening the file. It's going to create new form for me. Let's wait until finishing its process. Now you can see there's a form appear inside this working area. Now this is simply, we can say, this is visual programming. Now you can see there's a tab here called a toolbox. You can click on that. As you can see, there are so many tools available inside this toolbox. Now you can drag and drop whatever you want and just simply we can create user interfaces like this. We can manipulate all the elements, we can rename it, we can do whatever we want. So this is visual programming. Without writing text code, we can develop user interfaces by dragging and dropping elements into the working area. This is simply known as a visual programming. So if we try to do these all the things by using just test command, it will be very difficult for you. So if I click double click on this form, it will generate the actual code for me. Now you can see there's a code for this form, and if you double click on this button, it will generate the specific code for this button. Now you can see there's a code for form 1, there's a code for button 1. And then if we double click on this checkbox, now you can see there's a code for checkbox. Now this is simply called visual programming. So first of all, to understand all those things, before going to design user interfaces, we need to understand C# basics. Not only just simple user interfaces, we can develop complex user interfaces like ERP systems, user interfaces. I will show you how to do that also. To do all the things, first of all, we need to understand the basics. So, the next video onwards, I'm going to teach you all the basics what you need to design softwares by using C# programming language. By using C# programming language, we can develop mobile applications, desktop applications, virtual reality applications, games, a website, web servers, database applications, all those softwares we can develop by using C# programming language. So I will show you how to develop all the softwares with examples. That's all for today. We'll meet on the next video.